Welcome to our second tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to start off with the same sheet you probably received in your Mac class, or at least a version of this sheet. In the class, we may have started with a bad joke or two. We're not going to do that here, and we're going to start with the dock. The dock is on the lower portion of your Mac when you first start it up. And that dock provides you easy access to your apps and some of your more used folders. So everything you want is one click away on a Mac. On every single Mac, the Finder icon will be on the far left. The Finder is comparable to, let's say, my computer on a PC. If you click on Finder, it lets you view and browse the folder system on your computer. If you click on your computer name, you can get the whole desktop, document, applications, music, downloads folders. Simply double-click a folder to get into it. You can view all of your files and folders in different formats as well. Those are what these buttons are up here. So if I click this, it will change the way I view my images, but the files are the same. This last one, Cover Flow, is Apple's touted feature, so you can see a picture of different items you're looking at just by swiping through. I prefer this one. Next on the dock, and these two applications are new to Lion. They're pretty much quick access to some of the multi-touch gestures you can use in Lion. So instead of doing 3 fingers straight up on a magic trackpad, I can click this, and now I can see everything that's going on in my Mac. Or I can click Launchpad, and it will open up all my applications. So let's say I had an application here and I want it in my dock because I use it a lot. Let's say I do, a lot of DVDs. I'll drag my DVD player and put it into my dock wherever I'd like it. As you can see, applications will simply make room for my application. So there it is, in my dock. If I didn't want it in my dock, drag it, click and drag, and let go. As you can see, it disappeared. It's still in my applications folder, DVD, but it's no longer in my dock because I don't need to use it. On your Mac, you probably got an icon for App Store. So the App Store icon gives you quick and easy access to a whole variety of applications you can put on your Mac. This App Store is very similar to, let's say, browsing the App Store on a phone. A lot of smartphones will have app stores, and this gives you that same experience right on your computer. So if you want a Monopoly, Monopoly's there. You click it, you click buy. I don't really want to buy it, so I'm not going to. And it would download onto your computer after you type in your password. On the right-hand side of my dock, separated by this line right here, I have stacks. Stacks are some of my more used folders that I can customize and put over here. So I've got my documents as a stack. If I click Documents, it will pop up and give me quick access to everything that's in my folders. If you wanted to create your own stack, simply go to Finder, your computer name, and let's say I wanted my picture folder as a stack. Click it and drag it like you would an application into the dock, and now it's shown as a stack. Next, we're going to show you how to customize your dock. To customize anything on your computer, you're usually going to System Preferences, which is this icon, Application, right here. So open this, go into Dock, because that's what we're doing, and here are our dock preferences. So I've got magnification on. So when I go to the bottom of my dock and put my mouse over something, the application's enlarged to show where my mouse is. If I don't want this, check it. It's no longer going to work. You can change the size of your app icons as well by dragging the slider, small or large. You can change the position on your screen. If you'd like the dock on the left side, it will go on your left. Personal preference. Some people really enjoy not seeing their dock when they're using their computer. And to do this, you can click Automatically Hide and show the dock. After I click this, the dock will only appear if I move my mouse down to where the dock is. Otherwise, it will hide. To tell what applications are open, there will be a little blue light below each of the applications that are open. Blue, blue, blue. To show the light or not show the light, you can do that with this check mark right here. I like to have it open because it tells me what's open. If I wanted to close an application from my dock, there's several ways I could do it. Let's say I've got Safari open. To quit out of Safari, I could go Safari, quit, or I could do the shortcut Command Q on my keyboard. Or go down to the dock, click and hold, and then release on quit, and your application will quit. So in a sense, that is your dock. I think you're going to enjoy putting your useful applications and documents under your dock. It's a great interface, and look at those colors.